Welcome to today's video, where I'll be showing you how to make your own online tools using ChatGPT, and how you can earn money by monetizing them. But before we get into that, let's first talk about what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is a powerful language generation model developed by OpenAI. It can be used to create natural languages processing applications, such as chatbots, language translation, and text summarization. Now, you may be wondering why to use ChatGPT for online tools. The answer is simple: ChatGPT is incredibly versatile and can be used to create a wide variety of tools. Plus, because it's an open source model, it's available to anyone at no cost. Now, let's take a look at how to make your own online tool using ChatGPT. Now, first of all, ask ChatGPT to create a list of online tools by simply typing list other tools like image resizer and QR code generator. The ChatGPT will then list other simple tools like barcode maker and PDF to PNG converter, etc. You can also visit cloudconvert.com to get ideas about thousands of tools. After finalizing the tool which we want to create, it's now time to create some tools using ChatGPT. So to create any tool, you just have to tell ChatGPT. For example, create HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for a tool to compress images without cropping the image, and then download the image. Now ChatGPT will write the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for us. Now to test the tool, just copy the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript and paste it into the WP Coder plugin. If we refresh the page, you can see our image compressor tool is ready in less than 5 minutes. So let's test the tool by compressing an image. You can see the image size is 924 kilobytes. If we upload the image in our tool, and we can also adjust the compression level, then click on Compress Image. And our image is compressed. So let's download the image and check the image size. As you can see, the image size is about 65 kilobytes. The original size was 924 kilobytes. And also the quality is pretty much the same. But as you can see, the interface of the tool is pretty basic and not very attractive or modern. You can ask GPT to customize the interface for you. You can customize the compression bar, download button, and pretty much everything by asking ChatGPT. In this way, you can create hundreds of these tools and publish them on Google and earn money like cloudconvert.com. There are several ways you can monetize these tools. The first method is subscription-based. You can offer a paid subscription service for users who want to access advanced features or remove watermarks, ads, or usage limits. The second method is pay-per-use. You can charge users on a pay-per-use basis, allowing them to pay a small fee each time they use your tool. The third method is the freemium model. You can offer a limited version of your tool for free while charging users for premium features. The fourth method is advertising. You can display ads on your site and earn money through pay-per-click or pay-per-impression advertising. The fifth method is sponsorship. You can approach companies and offer them sponsored content or sponsored features on your site. The sixth method is selling access to businesses or individuals. You can offer a white label version of your tools to businesses. They can use them on their site and you'll get paid for that. Last, but not least, is to create a unique product around your tool. You can use your tool as a core component of a larger product or service. I hope you found this video helpful and that you are now ready to start creating your own online tools using ChatGPT. Remember, with a little creativity and some hard work, you can turn your tool into a profitable business. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more videos like this.